What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to the first real scheduled post about Matic. In this video, we'll talk about Matic. We'll mostly talk about the price. There was also some minor news, I think, about a zero knowledge EVM product they're developing and that the testnet has gone live, but it doesn't really have an effect on the price. It looks like, as you can see. We're pretty bearish, even though that development is bullish. So it will be mostly the price. So this is the first, as most of you might know, but if you're new to this channel, I recently released a schedule of the cryptos I will analyze on all days of the week, right? And Matic will be analyzed on Tuesday, and I think also on like Saturday or something. So check that out. Also, let me know if you want that down in the description. Right now, it's in the Discord. But yeah, so if you'd be interested in that, you can check out some of the cryptos I analyze every day of the week right there. For now, though, let's dive right into it. Matic is one of my favorite projects. That is something I am going to say. So we're not going to be talking about the news, but I do think, let's have a quick look at it. They have a lot of solutions, a lot of development going on. This is the one I heard about. But apart from that, I think it's one of the most developed scaling solutions. I think it's the most developed scaling solution. It's heavily funded. It's a big project. It's not going to do it could do a 10x, but it's not going to do a 100x again. But it is a very solid project. Apart from that, volume, luckily it has increased to more healthy levels. It was very low. It was around 2% of the market cap, which is dangerously low because when the volume drops down, what could happen is higher volatility, right? Because you need less money to actually make the price move, which is a scary thing sometimes, because that's really the mother of crashes. For now, let's dive right into it, because we've become more healthy, but the whole market is relatively bearish. Matic is moving along with that. But what we saw like 2 days ago, I think I covered Matic for the last time. What we saw then is that we had this market structure coming up, right? We had this bullish momentum. You can see higher lows across the board. But apart from that, and on the other side of that, we had this strong trend line. In the end, the trend line worked perfectly, but trend lines don't always work. It was also just a strong downtrend, right? A lot of bearish momentum. Apart from that, if you take a look at the MACD, the MACD didn't really actually call for this. You can see, the MACD is a very lagging indicator, right? So now it's turning red when we're dropping, but it would have turned green if we would have had that bullish breakout. But yeah, market circumstances made us choose the bearish breakout. What I said is that if we would break below 81.5 cents, which we've just done over the last 4 hours, we would probably drop down to this level right here at around 78 cents, which still needs to happen, but I do think that's going to happen, right? You see, we had this bearish breakout. Now we have a very strong resistance level above us, unfortunately at 81.5 cents. I think we're going to take that break retest and drop down towards 78 cents. Now that gets interesting, because then the question obviously arises, can we hold 78 cents? And I think we will. Thursday we'll have some big fundamental news. We'll have an inflation rate news event of the United States. But I do think that until that time, we can actually consolidate between 82 cents, let's say, and 78 cents. Matic is a very strong consolidator, as you see. But also, let's see right here, it's very capable of consolidating for a couple of days. And then depending on the outcome of the inflation rate numbers, we'll either see a big drop all the way down to 75 cents, or we'll try to test 85 cents again and try to break above that. But more about that later. I'll make a full dedicated video on my expectations of the inflation rate numbers and what that does to the prices of crypto pairs. So for now, that's my take on Matic. Hopefully you found it valuable. As I said, go check out the schedule if you did, and make sure to at least consider subscribing. Helps me out a ton. But for now, I want to thank you all for watching and listening. Have a great day, and bye.